Hi there, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm making a traditional Irish soda bread and this one has just got 4 ingredients in it. Very quick to make. I love to make this when I'm in a rush and I've got a big pot of soup and I love a bit of fresh bread with it. So this is ideal. You'll make it in 5 minutes and bake it in about 40. My mother made this soda bread every day when I was young. There was a big family of us at home and bread wasn't as easy got and there wasn't as much money about as there is now. Sometimes she used to make a richer version, one with an egg and some butter. Very nice too, and I'll do a video on that next week so you can try that one out as well. So in here I've got some plain flour, 454 grams. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of bread soda, bicarbonate soda. Give that a mix together. I'm going to use buttermilk. I've got 400 ml of buttermilk. You could use sour milk either, oat milk. If you can't get buttermilk, I'll include how you can make it in the recipe as well when I share it with you. Very easy to make. So we're going to get about 3/4 of this in here. You may not need all the buttermilk. So add 3/4 and mix it together and we'll see how we get on. You don't want the dough very wet and sticky. Okay, so I'm going to add some more buttermilk. So just bring it together like that. That's looking good. So what I like to do at this stage is I just use my hands to bring it together into a ball. If you find it's a bit sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. And just bring it together like that. Knead it in the bowl. Don't over knead it. So bring it together like that into a nice round shape. Just going to place it on the worktop, a little bit of flour, and just try and get a nice smooth finish to the top of it, just like that. So bring it together into a nice round shape like that. I pat it down a little. As it bakes, it will get bigger. So I'm going to get this onto a baking tray. So you can put a little bit of flour on your baking tray or line it with a bit of greaseproof paper. Great. Now for the next stage, we're going to cut across on top. I like to go nice and deep, about halfway down. The deeper the cross, the bigger the cross you'll have in the center when it bakes. You can dip your knife in flour if you find it sticking. And I like to prick it here to let the fairies out so they don't ruin my soda bread. So that's it, it's ready for the oven. How easy was that? I'm going to get it into the oven now for about 40 to 45 minutes. Here it is everyone, I've just taken out of the oven. Smells beautiful, lovely and warm. Look at that golden colour. You'll know when it's baked by tapping it on the back and you'll hear a nice hollow sound. So the cross is really big because we went nice and deep with the knife. This was always my favourite part of the soda bread. I liked this piece when my mum used to cut it up and I still do to this day. So what I did was I took it out of the oven. You place it on a wire rack for about 3 to 4 minutes. I find if you leave it on your baking tray, it will sweat and it'll get wet on the bottom. Some people don't like the hard texture of the bread, and if that's you, here's a tip for you what you can do. So after about 2 to 3 minutes of it cooling on your rack, get yourself a nice clean tea cloth and wrap it up like that. And let it sit for about 20 minutes in the tea cloth. So what will happen is the trapped steam in the bread will soften the outside of your soda bread. So leave it like that, and I'm going to cut a couple of slices in about half an hour. And there it is everyone, I've cut a couple of slices, it's lovely and soft. I've added some butter. I love fresh soda bread with butter, there's nothing like it. You could have this soda bread with soups, stews, and it's absolutely perfect on its own with butter, and even some jam is actually beautiful on it too. So there you go everyone, that's how easy it is to make a traditional Irish soda bread. Give it a go and I really hope you all enjoy it. Happy baking everyone. Don't forget to like, comment and share. See you soon.